Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find out what is changed in your Google Docs file. So if you have a Google Docs file that is shared with probably your colleagues, your friends, and probably they made some change into the file, you want to find out what is changed. So open the file first. And then here, when you open the file, you can see this is the timeline. Last edit was 3 days ago, and you want to find what is changed. Just click on this, open the version history, and you can see the history or the change that is made in your file, just like so. So this is the change that you can see how it's changed or what is changed, just like so. And then you can just go back. Okay, so that is the tutorial on how to find out what is changed on your Google Docs file. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like or leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.